Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something super exciting for you green thumbs out there, composting with coffee grounds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you master this nutrient-rich composting technique. So, let's get started. First off, coffee grounds are fantastic for composting. They're rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. But, like with everything, there's a right and a wrong way to do it. So, let's talk about the do's and don'ts. Do mix your coffee grounds with other compost materials. Think of coffee grounds as a green material, rich in nitrogen. To balance it out, you'll need brown materials like dried leaves, paper, or straw, which are high in carbon. A good rule of thumb is to maintain a 4:1 ratio of browns to greens. This helps in maintaining the right balance and speeds up the composting process. Don't just dump coffee grounds in one big pile. When coffee grounds are piled up, they can compact and create a barrier that blocks air, slowing down the decomposition process. Instead, spread them out and mix them well with other compost materials. Do use coffee grounds in moderation. While they're great for compost, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Overloading your compost with coffee grounds can make it too acidic. Aim for coffee grounds to make up about 20% of your total compost volume. Don't forget to dry your coffee grounds before adding them to the compost. Wet coffee grounds can clump together and create an unpleasant smell. By drying them out first, you help them break down more efficiently. Do use coffee grounds as a soil amendment. They can be directly added to your garden soil to improve its structure and boost its nutrient content. Just make sure to mix them well into the soil to avoid creating a thick layer that could repel water. Don't use coffee grounds alone as mulch. While they can be a great soil amendment, using them alone as mulch can create a dense layer that water can't penetrate. Mix them with other organic mulches like leaves or grass clippings for the best results. And there you have it, folks, a quick guide to mastering coffee ground composting. By following these simple do's and don'ts, you'll be well on your way to creating rich, nutrient-dense compost for your garden. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy composting!